Kindly proceed. Welcome address, ma'am. Jagadishwari, ma'am. Kind attention to Jagadishwari, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Thank you,
proceed.
ma'am.
Welcome address, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. To welcome our Managing Trustee, Srimati Saraswati Kannayan, ma'am, Dr. Priya, ma'am, Principal, Dr. Ponnusamy, sir, Convener, Dr. Anuradha, ma'am, and our resource person, Dr. Tirumurthy, sir, of a special address on Virtual Learning Environment, MIRO. I once again welcome all for today's session.
Kind attention to all the participants. Kindly mute your audio. Don't present your screen in between. If you are presenting your screen, the presentation of resource person will be affected. It's my kind request. Don't present your screen in between. We proudly welcome you, sir. Dr. Tirumurthy, sir. You can proceed now, sir.
Thank you, madam. Madam, it's audible?
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible, sir. Your screen is also visible, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Kind attention to all the participants. In the people list, you have two Tirumurthy Sinnasami's number. If you are if you himself, if you want to see him, present another one. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Warm good morning, everyone. First, I thank our Hindustan management, CEO, principal, and special thanks to Dr. Anuradha, madam, giving this great opportunity to me. Thank you, madam. Hindustan College of Arts and Science and Hindustan Innovative Learning Hub organize 5 days online workshop and national FDP on research methodology and ICT based teaching learning process. Today, day 5. This session 5, we see virtual learning environment. I am Dr. Tirumurthy. This pandemic period, we teach and learn via learning process like e-learning, online learning, virtual learning, etc. Compared to Blackboard learning, online learning, virtual learning classroom bridges geographic region between learning requirements and delivery. In our Blackboard classroom, all the students watch our class. Most students sit and watch what class. The students playing mobile phone, they do something, other works. Some student interactive, some interactive in our class. Some students physically present, mentally absent. So even though our online classes also, they are both physically and mentally absent. They have such mute our microphone, mute our phone, or mute the video, and they have do their work like playing or watching TV, and they do other work. So most probably, Blackboard is one-way communication. The students not participate effective manner, but interactive whiteboard like Miro, Padlet, etc. This learning, you staff and students engage together. Not only students, but also the staffs, friends, colleagues, etc. Everyone participated this learning, and they have to share their ideas, knowledge, information, etc. So this is called as brainstorming. This session we see how to interact student, how to collaborate our colleagues, our friends, students through virtual learning. Number of tools are available market in today's pandemic season. This season, every day they introduce number of softwares, number of online learning tools, etc. And also the most of the participants have children's like school students. These tools are also used in school students also, not only for it is and college students, it is also used in school students. And also you have to use company, industrialist, and research scholars. Everyone use these tools. So uh, this tool is wonderful use to our learning community. Not only cover college students, but also cover our learning community. I sure that this following session eye opener to your virtual learning environment. So this session I explain Padlet, Miro, Google Slide, Jamboard, Google Drawings. So today it is a trend in online learning and virtual learning. So first we go to Padlet. So first you go to type Padlet tool is visible, Padlet, you are beautiful. You go to sign up for free. It is also available in paid version. So you go to sign up for free. Click here. You have join your Gmail account or Microsoft or Apple. So I join in my Google account. So my page is open. It is Padlet page. So first of all, I give an information about Padlet. Padlet is a e-bulletin wall, and also it is blank wall. In your classroom, you give notes, diagram, homework, other activities, assignment, etc., etc. You have to combine all activities in this single board. It is possible in Padlet, and also this Padlet interactive your student very well. This digital wall, you can add picture, video, YouTube, audio, as well as notes, etc., etc. And this Padlet pages interact the student for studying purpose. This tool is easy to use. Sign up for free, add note, video, audio, text, diagram, variety of layout, CSS file, you have saved in PDF format, you have shared your colleagues, and also it is used to collaborative learning. It is free of cost. The Padlet also getting number of settings and notifications. So first we go to first page, Padlet. It is on my Padlet page. First you click here, make Padlet. So these are template are available here. Wall, canvas, stream, grid. So I select timeline Padlet. So this page is appear, this template. Listen. Here, so I type virtual learning environment. In your class, for example, you are in commerce people, your type of commerce title, your title like unit 1, unit 3, or your subject title, or etc. Or your current that is notes title. You have to put on anything. So I type virtual learning. So you give description. I give like how to learn. Padlet. If you want icon, you give emojis, animals, nature, food, activity, travel place, like this symbols. So I put one emoji. So it is interact your students. So nowadays the students are not like black and white books, papers. They have color pages. They have only use mobile phone. They are studying all materials through mobile phone, e-content. So we give a presentation, attract the all students. Then only they have to study very well, or they have to open your page. So I give this icon, and address. If you want means you give an address, otherwise no problem. Wallpaper. So so participant, please mute your mic, please. Dear participants, please mute your mic.
Sweetie Joy, kindly mute your audio, otherwise you will be removed.
So
So sorry for the interruption, sir. Please proceed, sir.
thank you, madam. So the wallpaper, solid colors, gradients, texture, picture. So I select picture. So select this one and save it. If you want add your own picture, you have to download from your mail, your system, or upload from your drive or Google search. So these are available. Take your photo or draw your own or paste link, upload. So I will explain later. And you have to change fitness like this. You have to blur the image or dark the image. So everything is available. It wonders your presentation. Here, you want to comment, attribute. So these are available. Filter, etc. You want to change font here. So the font will be changed here. Okay. So now so if you want change settings, click here, go to profile. You have to change your profile. Is up here. Edit profile. Edit profile. Basic information is like name, email address. If you want to type whatever you want, username, password. You want to password, put on your password. If you teacher, click teacher. Update and password here. Communication is a personal information for your Padlet. It is appear on your Padlet. Billing. So it is a paid version. Even billing details, reference, developer, delete account, etc. It is for personal informations. So I go to my Padlet page. Virtual learning, how to learn Padlet. So please look out. The plus symbol is here. First you click on plus symbol. Okay, you get this comment box. So you have upload from your system. Pick file from here. I upload this one. Open. It will uploading. Okay. Title, image or image. So I want to write something tree. Okay. So I want to add another one. Click here. It is link. It is web, Google web. It is take photo, snap. So click here. Upload. Pick file. Image. Open. It is uploading. Write something. Flowers. You want to give description. Flowers. Next. Click here. Click more option. Is link. You have to get link from Google search. Type nature. So I get natural video. Just copy the video URL. Paste here. Save. Title nature video. You are on commerce stuff, you are a computer science stuff or biology stuff, no problem. Copy paste the URL, YouTube URL, anything. The video will appear here. The link will appear. You have, if you want to description, you will be good. And click here. It is Google image, video, GIF, audio, web pages. So whatever you want, you have to search and add it. Click here. If you want a snap, take a photo. Click here. Snap. Save here. The photo will appear here. It's a photo. Snap. If you want, film. Click here. It is a virtual learning class. Close. Okay. So, it is a virtual learning class. Pause. If you want to play back, click here. Save. The video is saving now. Yes. Video is uploaded. Here, draw something. So I just give a demo. You have draw anything. So write drawing. Title drawing. Click here. Add place. So now I am in Coimbatore. Type Coimbatore. satellite image. Click here, show in pin. It shows Coimbatore. Save. Yes. And also we have connect another Padlet. So a single staff create more than 10 Padlets or 100 Padlets. He want to connect a previous Padlet is possible. You have to connect using this link, previous Padlet. So up here already I created 2 Padlets. So connect this one. So for example, I taken 3 or 4 classes. The each class is connected with another class. So I create in parallel 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 is connected to 3 means I given connection with here. So parallel 2, parallel 1, etc. So that's all. So using this parallel, we have to upload, connect video, audio, screenshot, picture, diagram, YouTube, place, and previous parallel diagram, everything. So now just remove this. So here share option is there. So I think it is shows very small. So here sharing option is there. The benefit of Parallel is you have to collaborate your students, your colleagues, your friends, everyone. So here I have add members. Click mail ID. So I join with Praveen Sundar.
When the function is defined,
So click share option. You have these options. You have to copy the link to clipboard and you have to paste your mail ID and share your friends. Get QR code and here email ID. Share your Facebook, Twitter, and Google Classroom. You have to Google Classroom account. You have to share the Parallel to Google Classroom and you have to share your friends. This collaborative learning, if you give an invitation to your friends or your colleagues or your students, they have to modify or they have to change, they have to share your ideas simultaneously whenever you create this Padlet. Both of students or staffs, your friends, all are simultaneously give their ideas, share the informations. In case if you want to give permission your students, if you want to not give a permission to students, just you can give an only view permission or edit permission, view comment permission. So they have 3 types of permission is there. If you want to give a view permission, the students only view the Padlet and they have to click the link and they have to view our classes. In case if you want to share the knowledge, you given permission to can edit. The students can edit the your Padlet. I suggest you have to collaborate your department staffs or your friends. You give permission to all friends in case of our leave or leave. They have to continue the work if it is possible. So I suggest given permission to can edit permission to your friends or your colleagues. And you want save means give save as image. So save as image. It is save image. If you want to save a PDF, it is a PDF. If you save as CSV file, it is save as CSV file. After saving, you have to share your Padlet to your students, colleagues, everyone. They have to just click the link. They have to show the YouTube. Just they have to click. They have to show the classes. They have to click. They show the images. It is the benefit of Padlet. So this Padlet is you. Hello. Hello. So participant, please.
Sir, just a second, sir. Some participant is unmuting their mic, sir. I remove them, sir. Just a second,
Okay,
sir.
okay, madam. Okay.
Please proceed, sir.
So participants, this Padlet tool is used to interact the students in collaborative learning, not only students but also your friends, staffs, and also it is used for your school students, and you have to cover your school, your children also. It is look like and very effective, and it is a beautiful background. And if you want to change the background, you have to change it. So now I move to Miro. Second tool, Miro. So it is also available in free version. Go to Google. So already I log in. Miro is a second tool. It is also team collaborative software. Yes, I am logging. It is also used in your Gmail account. It is an homepage of Miro software. So I am going to blank board. Click here. Or if I want to template, yeah, it is blank board. If I want to template, I will select here. So what are the possibilities in Miro? Miro is have categories, Miro overs, recommended, popular. Use case we have used in meeting, workshops like this. So these are the template available in meeting and workshops. It is an brainstorming idea. Yes, mind map, concept, random works, etc. Research design for research scholars. It is available. So these are available, mapping, etc. So number of templates available in Miro software. So Miro is nothing but movement in, receipt out. It is a flexible schedule. It is platform independent, more effective meeting, increasing productivity, online whiteboard for easy collaboration. So I told whiteboard is nothing but it is collaborate with your friends, colleagues, students. That is whiteboard. Blackboard is offline, whiteboard is online. Both students as well as staffs, everyone have to participate your presentation. So now I select this one, templates, mind map. For example, I select this one. So I show that number of template. I select mind map. So it is a mind map template. Here the Miro have select tool, view mode, templates. I show that text, sticky note, shape, connection, pen, comment, frame, and upload. And this one web upload is web page capture, and frame, presentation, comments, chat. You have to chat your colleagues or your students when you develop your page. And this one is card and screen sharing. You have to share your screen on another laptop or website. And voting, video chat, and timer, activity. These are the tools available in Miro software. Already we saw in Padlet share option. Share option is the whiteboard. Share option is used to collaborate your friends, colleagues, students. So I give name this Miro template virtual. Yeah. So look at here. If I want to give my colleague or friend, so I give Praveen. So it's available. So I invite my friend Praveen Sundar, Dr. Praveen Sundar. I send invitation. So join with my page. If I want team, so look at here, invite link. Already I told you, if you give one invite link, board and team. For example, we are in college process. We have give a permission. Our department staff can view, can come, comment, edit, access. No access. We give can edit because when we are leave, the other colleagues can edit or share the page is possible. If given only access means they have do nothing. Otherwise, your students we give only view permission and public. So whatever you want, we give the permissions. I invite my friend Praveen Sundar. So now this is see a mind diagram to insert something. I am a computer science staff, so I given a inheritance chart, multi-level inheritance. Double click, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So it have class A, class B, like I given class A, multi-level inheritance, class A. So I want to change format means font style, bold, italic, underline. So as it is our Microsoft Word, like Microsoft Word, given color. So all is available. So okay. So class A have class B, multi-level inheritance, class B, class B, class C. Here class D, class E. Okay. If I want to add another one more connection, click here. click here. You have to add another connection. If you want add here, click here, another connection will be established. If you want to add another connection, click here. Clear? Okay, now I add sticky note here. It is inheritance class E. Just move. I want to connect to class E means give connection like this. That's all. Meanwhile, command is click here, write command. It's class C, connect using connector, connection line, draw connection. That's all. Okay. You want to give a name, just okay. It is an pen tool. So write
Sir, just a second, sir.
okay.
Max command, please kindly mute your audio, otherwise you will be removed. I remove him, sir. You please continue, sir.
Okay, okay. Ma'am. It is shape tool. You want to click here and whatever you want to the shape, you have to drag it. Square, rectangle, star, and all shapes. So number of shapes is available. You have to add here. If you want, you have to add here. And it is upload. Already we saw in Padlet also. I want to upload photos, image, downloads, picture, image. Open, upload here. Resize the image. You have to place whatever you want. And here, upload via URL link. So already I have an URL link. Copy the natural. Okay, that's all. The URL link is added. Okay, paste here. Whatever you want, you have to place there. And this is save files, Chrome extension. So whatever you want, picture, image, PDF, you have to upload and place here. If you want connection, for example, class D is connected with picture means you give one connection, this one. Okay, and class B is connected with this image or picture, you have to connect. So this Miro tool is used to design for research scholar, not only research scholar, but also just professor, students. They have to explore their knowledge. They have draw the mind blooming, present the Miro using Miro. So here frame is there. This is used to select whatever you want. So close here. This is used to select size of what you want appear your Miro page. And this one is presentation mode. It is presentation mode. I select this place only frame. This presentation mode. I click here. the video will appeared. Okay. So it is presentation, and this one is chat box. So I want to chat with my friends or colleagues using this chat box. Hi, like our Google Meet. This one is cards, and it is screen sharing, voting, and it is a video chat and timer. You have to add these to our Miro page. And this one is settings, whatever you want to set here, account setting to flow of the threads, shortcuts, navigation, snap, etc. It is notification, and this one is note. So it is uploading, export to board. You want to share the board, save as image, PDF, and template, export, CSV, etc. So whatever you want, you have to export here, or share the image or share this board. Option is here. You have to share the Miro to your friend's mail ID or your colleagues or your students. Collaborative learning. So this Miro is used to collaborate your students. In case my student is interact my page and he have to put on class D, class E, and he have to change the page if I give permission. Okay, clear? So I given once again recap. Miro is used to virtual learning, like it is also a Parallels, and this platform used to design for collaborate with your staffs. You have to upload video, audio, images, and you have to create mind map. Already number of templates are available, and you have to share the Miro to virtual classroom and your friends and everyone. It is a use of Miro. So next virtual tool is Google Drawing. So it is a Google Drawing page. So you have to get from your Google account. It is page in your Google Drawing. You go to new drawing. It is the page is appeared. If you want, give a name, comment, insert image, upload your computer, drive, photo, URL, camera, and it is a text, and it is add command. It is as it is. You are well known about MS. So MS Microsoft Office, Microsoft PPT like this. So it is an as it is. New, open, edit. It is also as it is. View. So the special is you have it is a virtual. You have it is sharing, and you have to collaborate your colleagues. This share option is difference between MS and Google. It is a main difference between Google and Microsoft. You have to arrange one format. Everyone is available. So I suggest is template is available. So we go to smart. Everyone is available. Report, resume, letter, project proposal. For example, we are in browser. Project proposal is template is available here. Just you have to click project proposal. It's a project name. So everything is template is available. Just we have change or modify the name, title, everything using these tools. So available tools you have to easily prepare your project document, and you have to collaborate with your friends. He is available in other country or other state. He have to join this page, and he have to give suggestion, or he have to modify is possible. It is in benefit of Google Drawing. So as it is drawing, you have to collaborate your friends, and number of templates available, and these are the benefits. Okay, so just is like a drawing tool, but use the template, you have to create many wonders. And next one, we go to Google Slides. I think everyone well know about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So both are same. So click here, slides. Blank. So it is a blank page. So already I told that the difference between Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So you ask me, sir, what is the difference between Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and Google? It is save in Google Drive. It is an collaborative learning. It is a main difference between both us. You have to share using this option. So it is a blank page. You want to add template here. So you want to first slide, title slide, or only section header, use this. Your title and body, or title and two columns, title only, one column, main point, or description, caption, big number, blank is available here. So for example, you want to change the themes are available here. You select the theme, page will be changed. It's also available in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation also. Yeah, here. Clear. So these themes are available. So I want to more themes. It's not enough to me, means import theme from Google, or drag from your file anywhere in the system or net. And as it is all are available in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. It is a layout, it is a theme, it is a translation. So I given one or two example. Just type Hindustan College of Arts and Science. Yeah. So using translation, we have to move the content like this. So click here, animation format. So translation, slide, translation. If you want to motion, means give fad check the fan. If I want stop, if you want to add arts line means click here. Object animation, add animation. So everything is here. So here you have to select whatever you want. So these are the available in slides. Theme, slide, background, and also you have to share your colleagues, friends, like as save. So you have to share Praveen Sundar. I select Praveen Sundar. I share this PPT. He will change or modify whatever he want, whatever he wish. Play. So nothing but Google slide is as it is. Our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is difference is you have to collaborate our friends. This option is main benefit of compared to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You have to share the PowerPoint and both of your friend or your colleague, both of them change or modify or insert or import their ideas using this share option. Yeah, number of template is available already. It is uploaded like this. You have to download the template. You have to download the template. You have to design your PPT using this template. So I think all are known about Microsoft PPT. So it is share the virtual using your Google. So next one, Jamboard. Sorry, if you want to present one means click here. The present is presentation is appeared. Question answer session is appear here. You give question answer. You whenever you start, the timer is start. You want to give an pause, resume, reset, and start new. Speaker notes are all are available. This one. Yeah. So next one we move to Jamboard. So Jamboard is like Padlet. Yeah, it is Jamboard. I create my own new board. So click here the plus symbol. The new Jamboard is appear here. You want to change the background, click here. The background is modified. Clear frame. You want to next Jamboard, click here. So the tools are available: pen tool, eraser, select tool, sticky note, add image, laser. So I want to change this background. Yeah, sticky note, for example, Sunday. yellow is mostly used for in school students, attract their interaction. Next, Monday, green, sticky note, save. Tuesday, blue, save. Cancel. It's appear like this. You have to share your friends, colleagues using this sharing option. As it is, like Google Slides. So I share my mail ID. That's all. So in case you have to add your friends or colleagues, they have to change or modify the sticky notes and add it. Jamboard. So Jamboard is also like our touch screen mobile phone. You have to use like that also, but I explain this only for sticky notes. And another tool is Google Drawing. Yeah, already we discussed Google Drawing. Drawing, draw your image or using tools, text, Hindustan. As it is, you have to modify or change bold, italic, underline as it is, and you have to share the Google Drawings to Padlet, Google Slide, and anywhere. So we discuss 5 tools. First one is Padlet. Padlet is nothing but is a virtual learning tool. This is a Padlet. First virtual learning tool is Padlet. We have to upload image, picture, video, audio, diagram, and everything. Number of templates is available. We have to design the Padlet. It is like a board. You have to share your students, and they have download the Padlet and view notes, picture, animation, and video, everything. And second tool we discuss Miro. Miro is an virtual learning online tool. It is also used to design mind map and share your knowledge to students and your colleagues. It is a number of templates is available. Using this template, you have to design our own map. It is also used to research scholars and staffs and students. It is easily designed for creation. And third tool, we see this Google Drawing, and another one is next tool is Google Slide. It is also like as PowerPoint presentation, but the special is nothing but share the page to your colleagues, friends, and staffs. And last one, Jamboard. Jamboard is used to create and sticky notes and share the Jamboard to your friends, colleagues, and design the wonders, attract the students and all. So dear participants, we have discussed 5 tools. I think Padlet and Miro are very impressive and wonder tool. Google Slide and Google Drawing board is already available in Google your Gmail account. So these tools are attract the students as well as staffs, colleagues, whatever you are available